Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the histology of the tongue, epiglottis and tonsil, the palatine tonsil. So we will first see the histology of palatine tonsil, then the tongue and lastly epiglottis. So coming to the histology of the palatine tonsil, so what will be the most important feature? This crypt. This will be the most important feature, the crypt. Please don't confuse, crypt is also there in intestine, that is the crypts of Libercan. That is totally different, okay? That is in the intestine, that is crypts of Libercan. This is a different crypt, okay? So we will see now. Here we are seeing the most important epithelium, that is stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. This is very important. Stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. The second is the lymphoid tissue. This we are seeing big things over here. This one, this one. These are all the lymphoid tissue and the scattered lymph nodes. We can see here the scattered lymph nodes, some amount of blood vessels, and this crypt, this U shape which we are seeing. This U shape here, all this, these are the crypts. And please remember, it is different from crypts of Libercan. Let's not okay, so please don't confuse with the crypts of Libercan. So I repeat the important features: stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. Second is the lymphoid tissue. Then the scattering of the uh, lymph or the diffuse lymphoid tissue, and the crypts of, and just the crypts of the tonsil. Next is the histology of the tongue. So this is to show you the histology. So we will see now what are the important things. First, stratified squamous epithelium, okay, and second one is this, the lamina propria. Yes. So when it comes to the histology of the tongue, when you are asked what is the most distinguishing aspect, your answer should be, please answer this, that is the lamina propria. This is the very critical feature of the tongue. Lamina propria, very important. This lamina propria. Then also we are seeing here the skeletal muscle. Here we are seeing a lot of skeletal muscle. Here also we can see skeletal muscle. Then the serous glands. The serous glands, we are also seeing the mucous glands. Then adipocytes over here. Here adipocytes, mucous gland, already I told, serous gland also already told. And apart from that, we are seeing the the ventral surface of the tongue. Here the ventral surface of the tongue. And P, here P as in the papillae. The taste buds of the tongue will be here. These are the taste buds. Okay. So to sum up once again, all the layers: stratified squamous epithelium, the papillae, lamina propria, the most critical layer, most important layer, then the skeletal muscle, then serous acini, the mucus acini or the mucus gland, the adipocytes, ventral side of the tongue. Okay, so these are the features. Now last slide will be the epiglottis. So we are seeing the epiglottis over here. So the most important feature will be this: pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So first let us see now, this is the stratified squamous, which we are seeing very thick layer. There are so many cells. Okay, here we are seeing this is the stratified squamous epithelium. Then also we are seeing the pseudostratified columnar epithelium. This is pseudostratified. This is the stratified squamous epithelium. Then this which we are seeing, this arrow, this is the connective tissue. This entire is the connective tissue. And here we are seeing with the elastic cartilage. Here we can see a number of chondrocytes. Please remember, chondrocytes will be more in elastic cartilage. That is why we are seeing excess of chondrocytes. Then G as in the gland. gland also. Here is the gland over here, and we can see some blood vessels here. Okay, so this is the thing, and here respiratory side and the oral side. Okay, so this is the histology of the epiglottis. So to sum up all the layers once again: stratified squamous epithelium, pseudostratified ciliated columnar, then we are having the connective tissue, the elastic cartilage, the gland, and the blood vessel. So references from where I took the pictures. Now this brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.